Hello everyone, today we will show you guys Glass with Touch replacement solution for the iPhone X. Screen testing. The touch not work. And now we remove the frame for iPhone X. Use the liquid for free glue remover for iPhone X and the OkaMaster S1 Lite separator machine. Okay, let the screen face down. Put the liquid around the frame. Free remover. The frame has been removed. Please cut off the cable of touch. And now we will separate the glass with touch. There are two ways to separate the glass with touch. The first method is the separate by cutting wheel. And the second method, we would like to recommend you use the freezer. It's much easier than before one. Separating by cutting wire. Because we need to show you guys the two ways, so we keep a part of the touch on the screen. You see? Screen testing. The LCD work fine. Separating the touch by freezer. Let the screen face down. After about 1 minute,
because we can see the glue is still very soft, we have to make it getting very hard. So you can 你把它放回来. This wait like few seconds, we try again. It's better to use a plastic card. It's more soft, no harm to the screen. Now it's getting hard. You can see it's hard. So the moving is more easy. Okay, when you come to the flex cable, you have to be very careful. Slowly peel it off, slowly.
screen testing again. The LCD work fine. Okay, now we will use the OkaMaster K6H Pro to laminate. There are 3 pieces parts. The first one is 2-in-1 aligning and laminating mode for iPhone X. And the second one is LCD. And the third one is the glass with touch. Put the LED on the 2-in-1 mode. And put the glass with the touch on the LED. Clean the screen. You see, no dust. Okay, still of the film. Okay, put the whole mouse on the laminating space. Let's start. Let's have a look. You see, have a little bubble. Okay, now we will air bubble remover. Have a look. Still of the frame. You see? No bubble. Perfect. Use the arrow to remove the old cable. Be carefully. Okay, done. Okay, now tear up the film. And follow the cable. And connect the shoe cable. Testing the touch. Okay, you see? The touch should work fine. Perfect. Pull the free glue around the frame. Okay, now we still of the film. Put the screen on the frame. And press about 20 minutes. Use the frame and lamination mode. You see? Okay, you see everything has been done. Have a look. Perfectly.